Good morning, kindergartners. So today, Miss K is going to be making a math video. For today, what you need is you need your rekenrek. It looks like this. You need a writing tool as well as an orange or yellow crayon or marker, as well as worksheet number 36, okay? So again, writing tool, yellow or orange marker, your rekenrek, and worksheet number 36. So make sure you pause this and make sure you go grab those materials. All right, my friends, once you have those materials, we're gonna learn how to use this kind of little bit of a tricky tool. It might be a little hard for us at first, but we're just gonna do the best that we can and we're gonna work really hard on it. So Miss K does not have worksheet number 36. Oh my goodness gracious, Miss K. Now, am I gonna get really sad? Am I gonna cry about it? No, I'm gonna say, you know what, that's okay. Not everything goes as planned and Miss K is just gonna go with the flow. So I have a photo of the worksheet, so I'm just gonna share my screen here with you to show you what it looks like. So you can see all these numbers are on the side. It looks like little people holding the signs. And it says number 36 up here. There's the numbers 15, 18, 11, 16, 13, and 20. So you guys wanna make sure that you have that worksheet. Now, the first thing we always do is we want to make sure we write our name so Miss K and Miss Sheila can see all the hard work that you've been working on. So Miss K has written her name at the top of the paper here, Miss K. So make sure you stop, pause this video, and write your name at the top of this paper. All right, now that you have written your name at the top of this paper, now we're going to learn how to use this fancy thing called a rekenrek, okay? Can you say that with me? Rekenrek. So friends, when you use these really cool things, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that on your left side here, you're going to have that curved part against your hand, and you're gonna have the flat part. You can see it's really flat on your right side. Now, if you're like, Miss K, I don't know the difference between my left and my right, that's okay. Go get a parent and ask them to help you maybe a little bit with this video, okay? All right, so Miss K is going to show you how to use these really cool things. They help our math brains grow a lot. So again, this side, the curved, is on our left, and then the flat part is on our right. Okay, friends, so we want to make sure that our beads are pushed all the way over. We want to make sure that our beads are pushed all the way over the silver beads here to the flat side, okay? So they're as far over as they can go. So the silver here should be pushed all the way over. Now what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to make numbers with this. So we are going to just move the beads one by one to make numbers. So we're not even going to worry about our worksheet right now. We're just going to focus on a little bit of smaller numbers. So the first number that I want to work on making is the number 3. So just watch Miss K. Don't use your rekenrek yet, so just watch Miss K. All right, are you watching? So we're just going to move 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Great. So this is the number 3. I just moved 3 beads. Now we're going to do something. It's called erasing your rekenrek. So you're going to push it over. Okay. So this means that you're ready to start. This is how you always make sure you erase it to make sure you're ready to start your next number. So the next number I want to make is the number 5. So again, I always start at this top one here, just like we do on 10 frames. We always start on the top. So I'm going to move 5. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. You can see what it looks like to have 5 on a rekenrek. Now, I'm going to erase it again. Whoop. There we go. We know that it's always erased when the silver is pushed all the way over towards the flat side, because there's no curve here. It's only flat as far as it can go. Now, Miss K wants to make a bigger number now. I want to make the number 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa, look at that. We pushed all of our beads over to make the number 10. Okay, we can see we have 5 gold beads here, then 5 of the silver beads there. Perfect. So this is how you make the number 10. Now notice I'm always using this top row first. All right, let's erase it. Now friends, what I want to do now is I want to make a teen number, okay? So I want to make the teen number 14. So watch Miss K. So I don't want you to do it yet. Just watch Miss K because this is really important how we do teen numbers. All right, now that you're watching, so I'm going to do 14. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, we're getting to 14. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is what it looks like on a rekenrek to have the number 14. We have our one group of 10 up here on top, and then we have 4 more down below. That's how you make the number 14. All right, my friends, now let's practice making numbers with that worksheet that Miss K gave you. So please get worksheet number 36. Again, that looks a little differently. I'm not gonna cry. I'm just gonna go with the flow and do the best I can because it's about making my brain grow. So my friends, what I'm going to do is I am going to first look at this first number. We know that this is the number 15. So I'm going to make the number 15 on my rekenrek. So again, I have it, remember, it's erased. It's all good to go. All the silvers are as far over as they can go. I can't do them anymore. Now we need to make the number 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is what it looks like. We have the whole row pushed over. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 5 of our gold beads pushed over. There's no more gold. So what I want you to do is take that yellow crayon or marker or orange. I'm gonna use orange because it's a little bit easier to see. And I'm gonna draw what it looks like to have that many beads on our rekenrek. I'm going to make sure that I'm gonna draw it just the way that my rekenrek is. Remember that we have 5 of those gold beads on the top one all the way over. So I'm gonna draw it just like that, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it looks the same. Now, I'm not gonna worry about coloring the silver beads. You're welcome to take a gray or white crayon and color it in, but Miss K is just gonna leave it blank. So I have the first row, but now I have to make sure the second row looks the same because we haven't made the same number. Now I'm going to color in 5 more beads because I can see there's 5 right here. You might have to count it. You might be able to subitize, but I'm gonna color 5 gold beads on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. All right, my friends, let's go on to the next one. The next number that we need to make is the number 18. So let's erase our rekenrek, so push it all the way over. Okay, so we're gonna make the number 18. Remember, cleared, when you've erased it, all your silver beads are over as far as they can go, okay? So I'm gonna push over 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 up here, a group of 10. Now we're making 18, so I gotta keep on going. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Perfect, you can see I just have 2 of those silver beads left over. I didn't push over. So Miss K is going to draw what it looks like to make this rekenrek, okay? So I know that I have 5 gold beads on top, so I'm gonna make sure it looks exactly the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then I know I have 5 of my silver beads up here as well. Now I have to go to the second row because I have to make sure it looks the same. So I have 5 gold beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Okay, my friends, next we need to make the number 11. So let's get our rekenrek. Okay, perfect. So we are going to get to 11. So let's start with our top row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have to do one more. 11. Perfect. So remember, I have to color it just the same way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I have my 5 silver beads. Then I only have 1 gold bead. Okay. All right, my friends, you're gonna continue to do this worksheet on number 16, 13, and 20. Now, if you're feeling a little stuck, you're welcome to get on something called office hours with Miss K on Zoom, or go get a grown-up in your house and ask for help. This might be a little tricky, but I think with some strong brains, we can work together to do this. Great job, kindergartners.